Not enough of you guys are clicking that subscribe button, so make sure you click it. Click the subscribe button right now. It's right there, down on the bottom. Click it. Create the trip. We're gonna go riding now. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is my brother.
Hey.
His name's Joel. He has a beard. You guys are just used to seeing me, but he's just as responsible for Goulet Films as I am. We started it together. We just live in completely different sections of Ontario now. And I wanted to show you guys one of his trucks. We wanted to do a walk around. You guys are familiar with the truck because it's basically in the intro of every video I make. So what do you want to say to the camera?
I don't know.
And this is why I do all the videos, so doesn't talk. But there's tons of cool stuff around here.
Two things, yeah.
But yeah, lots of cool stuff around here. Let's check it out. So we're actually here to see that thing. Let's pull it out.
Okay, so it's a 2002 F-150. Bought it from a used car lot in front of the bay, and body was in good shape, so I brought it home and started a project. Cut everything out from underneath the frame, and built all my own suspension. 14 bolt rear spool with 538, 4-link rear with King 2.5-inch coilovers, 18-inch travel, and Pro Fender air bumps. It's got Dana 60 front, the front axle is currently open with 538. Plan on going to a selectable front locker in the front, and upgrade to 35 spline outers. So I got the stock steering box with hydro assist, kind of a 3-link / radius arm front with coilovers. So the wheels are just plain steel wheels from Summit with do-it-yourself beadlocks welded in, and 40-inch IROC. Stock interior, no cage yet, but plans to put one in. Under the hood, it's got the stock 4.6 liter. Stock tranny with a shift kit in it, and stock transfer case. Got tube front and rear bumpers and rock sliders, all of 1 3/4 inch DOM. And I got a Warren a Warren Xeon 10,000 pound winch with synthetic winch line. Rear's got a bed cage all out of a 1 3/4 inch DOM to tie in the coilovers and the spare tire holder. With the front coilovers, there wasn't room for the master cylinder and brake booster in the under the hood, so I relocated it to the box using a clutch and a slave cylinder off a clutch setup.
Okay. Thanks for watching, guys.
Please like and subscribe
Like now.
right now.